Davy Crockett rocked the wild frontier, and you'll be rocking the backyard barbecue with this pellet grill. It comes in under the $400 mark because of its size. It's a portable pellet grill, but it's pretty big on design and described by some as the ultimate tailgater pellet grill. As with all pellet smokers, there's a lot to like and a few things that can be improved. But as far as compact portable grills go, there's very few available on the market. Therefore, the GM Davy Crockett is our pick of a rather short list. In terms of portability, there are smaller and lighter options available, but the cooking surface is much smaller and has the out-of-date low, medium, high controller. The Davy Crockett uses Green Mountain sophisticated digital thermostatic controller with a dual readout LED display to accommodate the included meat thermometer. It also comes with adapters to provide power from a wall outlet, car cigarette lighter, or car battery, items that are often optional on other models. What sets GM grills apart is the included Wi-Fi control. The range is approximately 100 feet and makes grilling, smoking, and baking super easy. You can view your cooking times, grill temperatures, and internal meat cooking temperatures all from your smart device. You can also adjust the cooking temperature, set timer alerts, and alert when your food's internal temperature reaches a certain level. Plans are in place to take this to the cloud, which will give you the ability to control the temperature from anywhere in the world, so long as you're connected to the web. Great for smoking during the week whilst you're at work. You can quickly log on and reduce the temperature for the final few hours of your cookout. If this is your first time on this channel and you like this video, we do all kinds of videos like this for all kinds of different products, all aimed at providing you the selection of the best products, making your decision easier. So if you don't want to miss anything, please consider subscribing.